Thank you for taking the time out of your day to tune into my channel.
Alexa,
start a 20-minute alarm.
20 minutes, starting now.
All right, girl. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rinse off this rice, and we're going to get some, we're going to make 2 cups of rice using the rice measurer, the measure that they give you with the rice cooker. All right, and I'm going to show you a hack about this. What you do is you warm up this water in the microwave. It's going to cut down on the cook time for, that's a minute and a half, cook time for the rice cooker. And I'm going to show you something else, because I know rice takes a while to cook, right? I know it does. I know it does. I'm going to use this. Right, because you got to rinse off that starch off of the rice. Otherwise, your rice is going to stick to the bottom of the rice cooker. Yeah, I know I'm making a mess, but it's a 20-minute challenge. Y'all see the clock right there? You see it? All right, so I'm putting that up. We're going to rinse this rice off. Try to get as much starch off of it as possible before we pop it in this rice cooker. Y'all can tell I'm new to this, right? Very new. But I mean, I'm just being me. I can't be anybody else but me. Gotta be authentically me. That's it. Perfectly imperfect. Alright. So, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing with this camera overhead. And I love it for vlogging and stuff like cooking. It's perfect. Gotta get my hands free. I don't have to get my hands involved. And I love it. I'll give you guys the link to this product that I'm using to record from above. I love it. All right, so we rinse this 3 times just in time for the water. All right, so again, that's 2 cups of water. All right, so now I'm going to take this water and I'm going to transfer the hot water to the rice cooker. Y'all see that steam coming off of there? All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this rice. I use equal parts water, equal parts rice. That's just how I do. I mean, how you cook your rice is how you cook your rice. This is how I cook my rice. And I always flavor my water, just so y'all know. Okay. Oh, I forgot to get my oil out. But I'm going to put some garlic powder and onion powder in mine because that's what I like. You do what you want with yours. But I'm going to do what I want with mine. A little bit more. Okay. And tonight, I think I will use, I don't know if I want to use coconut oil or not, but you got to get going, girl. Some salt. Some salt in there. As I say, I season my water. I don't know how many minutes I'm down. Alright, so, oh, nope, I forgot the oil. Lord. Okay, I told you I haven't done this before. This is all new to me. Taking a look inside my pantry. Alright, so I'm going to get some coconut oil. Y'all like that? I'll let you in on a little bit of what's going on inside my pantry. A little coconut oil. We about to pop this thing on. Stir it up, throw it on in there. Right. That's just me. And the hack is, one of the hacks was to microwave the water. Then we're going to use this flash rice. So we're going to cook this rice. Hopefully it's done. I only have 16 minutes. I don't know if the rice is going to be done in time. We shall see. All right, the next thing is, I'm going to move this out of my way. I'm going to take these salmon cakes that I have, they're burgers actually, that I picked up, and I'm going to defrost them because they're burgers, you see. I'm going to do another half. It's just me, y'all. All right, so as that's defrosting, start. Y'all see? Busy. Alright. I'm going to pop this in the freezer. Yeah, my freezer's full. Alright. So, while that's going, I'm going to chop up my vegetables. And this will probably take me the most time. Because I don't like my stuff too big. Yeah. Lord, I don't know if this is going to be enough. I am down to the wire. I got 15 minutes, y'all. All right, so the plan is once that comes out, that salmon comes out off the frost, I'm going to put those vegetables, season the vegetables, and put them in the microwave. Well, we're gonna see if this rice is gonna cook in time. Woo! Y'all, pray for me. Pray that it works. And Lord, I'm not used to it. I'm gonna have to start to get a food processor because cutting up these vegetables is taking too much life. Y'all. Ooh, honey. Alright. Trying to get as much of this in here as I can. I don't have a lot of time. And y'all see that habanero there? I love spicy food. Those of you who love spicy food, you can add whatever kind of pepper you like to yours, but I'm gonna add that because that's what I have in the refrigerator. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use what I have, and that will be that. Girl, come on, don't overdo it like you did with the mashed potatoes yesterday. All right, come on. To God be the glory. We're gonna do this, please. I have 14. Y'all see the time on it? 14 minutes and 8 seconds. Oh my gosh. Ooh, y'all, I gotta get better at this. Come on now, come on now. You gotta have time for the salmon to cook. Come on. Lord. And you know, I don't measure anything, y'all. I'm making a mess. I don't normally cook like this. But because I'm on this timer and the pressure is on, Lord. And these are big old chunks too. Ooh, I don't like it like that. But we're gonna have to make it do what it do. Okay? That's what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness. Help me, Lord. Please let that rice cook inside. Oh, 13 minutes. 13 minutes? Is that all? Y'all. All right, man. I don't even think I have enough stuff. All right, onion. I don't want to cook them daggone salmon patties. I need to get those out. For real. For real. For real. Oh. And I am leaving a mess. I don't normally do this. I'm like precise with my cuts, everything. But you know, we on the timer, baby. We on the timer. This is real time. This is nothing cut and edit and no. This is real time. I have 12 minutes left, y'all. 12 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't want to make it too spicy. Trying to hurt myself. All right, but boy, oh boy, oh boy, the longest thing is that rice. It's a hack. It worked for me in the past, but I started a timer when I put the water in. Man, I should have already had hot water, but you live and you learn, y'all. Y'all live and learn. We gonna check it. But we gonna check it. We gonna check it. Hopefully, rinse the cilantro off. I know. You may not put these things in yours, but it's what I like. It's what I like. If you don't like it, don't put it in yours. Do what you like. What is your regular crab cake recipe? Share with me in the comments. Share with me. Tell me how I can do this better. I have 11 minutes, y'all. 11 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright. And I told y'all about my ooh, it's cooking. Now that's wrong. That's wrong. That is wrong. All right, so we're just going to squish this on up like this. And we're going to season it. We're going to season it. I'm trying to break down these pieces. I know it may not look good right now, but it will, trust me. I've made these before. They will be the bomb. Okay? Thebomb.com. But you just season yours the way you like yours. That's all. That's most important. All right, I'm down to 11 minutes and 9 seconds. Okay, I gotta wash these gloves because I'm not taking them off. We're gonna work with what we have. And I have a little secret. I use some stovetop mine. So my breadcrumbs are flavored, baby. Flavor. You ain't know, you better ask somebody. And I have my pre-mixed seasoning right here. I don't think I'm gonna do this one because it has a lot in there. This one is the garlic and the onion powder and what's this? Chicken bouillon. And then you know you gotta throw your Old Bay in there. It's just not gonna be right if you don't. You better do it. You better ask somebody about that. All right. So I also need. I don't measure, y'all. I'll tell y'all right now, I don't measure. But But I put mayonnaise in mine because it makes them nice and moist. That's just me. You could do whatever you like. All right, so you just basically just mix all this stuff together. I'm sorry, y'all, this salmon are in big chunks. I don't like it like that. Ooh, I'm gonna have to break it on down. And I'm about to add an egg. And yes, I rinse off my egg. I don't care. I might need more than one egg. I don't know. I don't know. Ooh-wee. Come on now. Come on. I still gotta make this daggone sauce. We're gonna use some coconut oil. Alright, so this is like so moist. Probably need more breadcrumbs. Y'all, to bring this all together. Come on, oil melt. I have 8 minutes. 8 minutes on the clock. You got 8 minutes, chef. 8 minutes. Come on. Stick together. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, Lord. I spilled some on the floor. Making these little patties here. And I love these little throwaway cutting boards that I get from the dollar store. Okay, I have 7 minutes and 52 seconds left. Get this done. Come on. Whoa, Lord. All right. Come on now. Ooh, I dropped some more salmon on the floor. Come on, girl. Get it together, girlfriend. Come on. Y'all think I could do this? I hope that rice cooks. Because those vegetables are supposed to be in the microwave too. Everything is supposed to be already ready. And yeah, I am scrambling, y'all. Y'all don't understand, it fell apart. I hear it, y'all. Okay, I have 7 minutes. Come on. Come on, y'all. Y'all think I can do it? I think I can do it. Come on, I think I can. I think I can. Y'all, I'm doing this challenge. I'm living and I'm learning, honey. I'm living and I'm learning. To preheat your daggone oven. Now, you're moving like molasses. And yes, I know this is a complete mess. I do not oftentimes cook like this. But I have 6 minutes left, y'all. I need that stove to do right. Come on. It's gonna have me embarrassed up in here because I didn't make the time. Alright, so these vegetables, straight out the freezer. Pop them in here. I'm gonna add some butter. That becomes a trash bag. Y'all know I'm all about conserving. Alright, I got 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes, and this daggone thing is not even. 5 minutes. I hope 5 minutes is enough time for me to cook these vegetables. The pressure is on. Oh my gosh. And these are my pre-seasons. I told y'all I make those in advance for those things, the seasons that I use often. Oh my gosh, my camera stopped recording. What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know what happened. Technology. Alright, so I'm about to make that little sauce I was telling you about. I'm not making a lot. Not a lot at all. Not a lot at all. Not a lot at all. I have 4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. So I gotta turn this stuff over. 4 minutes. I'm going to plate. Okay, that's it, y'all. I know it's a mess. Forgive me. I'm new to this. You need to use that microwave because I have 4 minutes left. 3 minutes and some change. I know this sauce is not looking good right now. But hey, what you're getting is real true live cook. Come on, stay together, stay together. Oh my gosh. This is not the way, honey. This is not the way. Okay, that's looking better. That's looking better. Y'all say that's looking better. This one right here, honey, you need some work. Alright. Come on now. And it's on high.
pop that joint in the microwave. Get her done. Get her done, son. Get her done. Alright, so that's that. Get all this stuff out the way. So again, it's not exactly the way I want it. Oh, I can't use that. Stuff is not exactly the way I want it. You see, it's still lumps in that thing. So get yourself a little hand mixer or something. I'm telling you, makes all the difference. All the difference. And I'm gonna move this all the way out of my way. Because I have to plate. I have 2 minutes. Y'all, 2 minutes! I did that. Hopefully these vegetables get done. And this is, like I said, this becomes a trash bag. I told y'all. Okay, I have 1 minute and 2 seconds left. 2 more seconds. Okay, see these vegetables? Ha-ha! See that? Those are done. But I need to cheat real quick. What I need to do? Let me finish this one off. I got to fall apart. That's just because I didn't have enough moisture, but I'm going to finish this one off in the microwave. Should be good. It's quite a mess. Okay, I'm being my authentic self, y'all. I'm no pro. I'm not a professional chef, but I do need the water on it. Girl, get it together. All right, I got 1 minute. 1 minute. So I'm plating. I'm plating. I'm plating. Y'all. I think I did it. I think I did it. Come on. You're making a mess, girl. 41 seconds. And my rice looks good. Bam! I beat the clock, y'all. And I made a sauce on the side. And we're going to top it off with a little bit of obey and some parsley. Just for the color. Come on out of there. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me. I did it. Yeah, it looks a little unkept, but it's there. It's done. See that? See the steam coming off of it? It's done. And I beat the clock. Once again, thank you for tuning in. If you like, Alexa, stop. If you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. Girl.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest.